Then I draw back to the center. Turn everything. Now I just turn and draw. Very little power in that grip. Now as I put down, it just sweeps up. Okay. 1, 2. Now I lock the elbow to elbow and I'll apply pressure. Yeah, and this is what you should do. Go around and find it. Don't just bounce on the floor and screw your points down. No, I'm locking the elbow to elbow and I turn my hips as you go. Then I put it. Submission like this. You see where the direction is going. There's the sword again. There's the sword in my center line. I want to go there. Yeah. Step back. I want to take him here. Then, now look underneath him. Instead of inside, underneath. Face the back. Extension. No matter what you do, you're right. Face it. Raise his elbow. This one's the most important, not this one. Dropping your weight. Then this one comes over the top. Look all the way around. As I do your first. 1, 2, 3, 4.